Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. Today's job lead is something I wanted to share as we move back into the August and September months. Kids are going back to school. There are going to be more and more parents that need part-time work that is daytime during school hours so that you do not have to pay for before and after school childcare, something that you can drop your kid off at school and then go to work and still be off in time to pick them up in the afternoon. This is one of those. I am hoping we're going to see more of these part-time positions and opportunities come up as we gear more towards back to school time. But the trash pickup service, Republic Services, is hiring a part-time customer service person. Now, they want someone in the central time zone. Down here, it does say you can work 100% from anywhere, but it says multiple times that they prefer someone that lives in the central time zone. So this is for my United States folks only. But they are looking for a customer resource associate to deliver great care to their customers while working flexibly from anywhere. You'll use all available resources to provide efficient and accurate solutions to customer service requests. So you will respond timely to incoming customer calls, and then you'll also make outbound calls to return customer calls as needed. You'll enter data accurately into their computer system, and while you're doing this, you'll maintain a calm and respectful approach to addressing the customer. So they are looking for someone who has effective communication skills, someone who has high attention to detail, great problem-solving skills, and the ability to stay calm in a high stress, high call volume environment. Now, a few perks about this job. It is paid training. They don't allow time off during this time. It's important that you complete training. They do pay $16 an hour, and it says both training and the position will work from home, so the training is virtual. The company provides all computer equipment that you need. All the employee needs to supply is hardwired internet. They do not allow Wi-Fi. And the work shift is, again, part-time, and it is great for those that have children in school. It starts in the fall 2022, so right when school starts, and the hours are 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. As always, if this position was not a great fit for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.